Hey, my dear friends, how are you doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting or host a meeting or set up a meeting. So what we have to do is we have to go to our Zoom app. You can do it through your browsers or from your app too, and then click on the new meeting, and you can turn off or on your video. It's absolutely your choice. And here it is given your personal meeting ID. Just you can you can use it through your meeting for giving some links to your participants, or there will be a link too which you can share and they can easily join. And then tap on start meeting option, and yep, your meeting is connected. Now you can tap on start video to start your video, and you have to click on the join audio option, um, and click on the Wi-Fi or cellular data, and you can mute whenever you don't want to talk and unmute whenever you want to talk. Here are various options for your use, guys. And if you click on the Zoom arrow option, then here you can you'd have a passcode and invitation link. You can just simply tap on the link and copy it just like it, and then you can share your link to your participants. They can easily join with it. So that's it for today, guys. This is how you can set up a meeting. So thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more exciting videos like this. Bye bye.